Hi everybody and welcome to She Shaves with your host Jill. This is going to be my candlelight shave challenge that I received from Keifer. Thank you very much, Chad, for tagging me. Question mark, exclamation point. So in any case, I've got candles burning. I got a big one next to me and two little ones in front of me. And for the shave I'm going to use, this is a vendor from way back when. I think he's closed up shop too. But when I first started shaving, this is one of the vendors I first bought, Mike's Natural Soaps. And that particular one is, what is that? Orange, cedarwood, and black pepper. Yeah, orange, cedarwood, and black pepper. Now I've already started to lather it up in my Captain's Choice bowl. And I'm using my Weebles Wobble brush, again, synthetic. And for my razor, I'm using a red tip, red flare super speed. So, I've already put some pre-shave on myself, a little bit of the cube. So let's get lathered up. This is weird. I just hope I don't knock over the big candle I'm using to my left because it's on a glass base. A fragile glass base. As old as this soap is, it still has its scent. And it is a tallow-based soap. I'm deviating from my straight razor shaves because I did not want to do one by candlelight. I'm adventuresome and I take some dares, but that's not one I was willing to do. Okay, let's clean off my lips and my snot track. I haven't used this razor in ages. It's the more aggressive of the three super speeds, which is the blue, black, and red. Vintage Gillettes, of course. Okay, that's the first round. Let's see what we got here. That did a pretty good job. For as mild as that razor is, and the Gillette Wilkinson blade in it, on its third use, I think. Of course, I have my usual trouble area here. I was going to do this shave earlier, but all of a sudden I had a nosebleed again. So I had to wait until it calmed down. So knock on wood. Let's hope I don't get one during the shave. Okay, let's lather up a second. It's hydrated pretty good. Then I have one other Mike's Natural Soaps, and that's the lime. It's lathering up pretty decently. Okay. Don't want to get too close to that candle and burn my hair. Oh, clear the snot track. Okay, let's go across the grain. Who should I take for this shave? Jim Combs? I don't know if he's done one yet, but I'm tagging you, Jim Cole. And, what about Brian the Floridian? Has he had to do one yet? In any case, whether you guys did it or not, those are the two names. If you did it already, well. But Jim Cole and Brian the Floridian. That's really good shave. It's been ages since I used this red tip super speed, and I'm really surprised at how well it shaved. Now the soap was very, very protective. Oop, I just knocked off the top of that thing I'm trying to get to heal. Alright, let's do one more cleanup pass. Ooh, almost knocked my lathering bowl off the shelf. Yeah, I think a month or so ago, I think Mike's was still had a website. I don't know. But now, when I go to it, nothing will come up. So I think he might have closed up shop. If anybody knows definitively, let me know. Okay, clean the nose. Clean the lips. And let's do this. Cleanup pass. Okay, I'm going to call that a shave. I'm going to get my rag. Rinse off the face. Let the water out of the sink. Do a cold water rinse. And see where we're left. Ow. Just pulled my nose stud 3/4 of the way out. That'll cause a nosebleed. Fuzz. Alright, well that left a really nice face fill. I'm surprised. As old as that soap is, it stood the test of time. I like that. That's great. I'm going to use some Aloe first. And this is Moisturizing Skincare Solution, it says. It feels really good. And, oh, I don't even know what I have over here for a... Oh, well, I just happen to have it here. And it's Peach and Cologne by A&E. So, I just happen to have it over here on the sink. So, I'm going to use that Poche Balm. Or actually, Post-Shave, Aftershave, and Skin Food. There we go. Oh, that smells good. Even though it doesn't go with the soap I used. It's just there because I didn't put something to the side. Alright, so that was kind of neat to do. To shave by candlelight. And I got a good shave on it with my... like I said, my red tip Gillette razor and my Weebles Wobble brush, vintage brush that was reknotted, and of course the Mike's Natural Soap. So with that, I'm going to say goodbye for right now, and don't forget, you guys know I love you, right? Right.